Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back.
How are you today?
I hope you are happy, relaxed, and ready to learn some English.
Maybe you are cooking, maybe you are eating.
Oh yes, perfect time for today's topic.
Yes, today we will talk about...
Food.
Let's talk about food in English.
Simple English, easy English, real English.
Before we start,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to the channel.
We help you speak English step by step.
Slowly, clearly, every day. Okay, let's start very simple.
Very, very simple.
Food.
Food.
What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza, good choice.
Yes, I love pizza.
Let's say it slowly.
I like pizza.
You can say, I like rice.
I like rice.
I like chicken.
I like chicken.
Now you try.
Good job.
Now let's learn something important.
Very important.
You can say, I like,
I like.
or stronger, I love,
I love.
or negative, I don't like.
I don't like.
Donna, what do you love?
I love ice cream.
Ooh, me too.
Yes, ice cream is the best.
Let's repeat slowly. I love ice cream. Now something you don't like.
I don't like very spicy food.
Ah, spicy food.
Too hot.
Let's say it slowly. I don't like spicy food. Now let's talk about meals.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Breakfast,
Breakfast,
lunch,
lunch,
dinner.
dinner.
Donna, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Simple and healthy.
Sometimes I drink coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee is important.
Let's repeat.
I eat bread and eggs. I drink coffee. Now you try. What do you eat for breakfast? Good. Let's make a real conversation.
Like real life.
Hey, Donna,
Hi, Wilbert.
what do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
Again, pizza?
Yes, always pizza.
Okay, I want noodles.
Nice.
Let's repeat. What do you want to eat? I want pizza. I want noodles. Now, let's describe food.
Use simple words.
Sweet,
Sweet,
salty,
salty,
hot.
hot,
Ice cream is,
sweet,
soup is.
hot.
Let's repeat slowly. It is sweet. It is hot. It is salty.
Wilbert, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fries.
Fries? Really?
Yes, I love fries.
Every day?
No, not every day. Maybe every weekend. Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions.
What food do you like?
What food do you love?
What food do you not like?
What do you eat for breakfast?
Very good. Let's repeat key sentences slowly. I like pizza. I love ice cream. I don't like spicy food. I eat bread and eggs. I want noodles. Now, let's make a short story.
Simple story.
I am hungry.
I go to a restaurant.
I order food.
I eat pizza.
I am happy.
Simple, easy, useful.
Great job today.
You learned many English sentences.
Keep practicing every day.
Even small practice is good.
Now tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite food?
We want to read your answer.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.